Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got this Smith Corona 5 Series manual typewriter, and talking to somebody on the Facebook typewriter group there about how they were working on a Royal or something, and then they came to work on a Smith Corona, and how simple it was compared to other typewriters. So, and it is. I learned this a long time ago. It was an easy machine to service. It's pretty accessible. All the links are accessible. Springs and everything. Down here, mainsprings. It's not maybe the best, but it's not too bad. What I'm going to highlight today is the escapement right down here. The starwheel escapement. I've had the escapement on some other videos, which is this gizmo right here. I'm going to pivot it right there. That's the escapement. And it comes out with one screw right here, one nut. Take this spring off and you can pull it out in your hand. Couldn't take a minute. Couldn't even take a minute. So the star wheel right here, most star wheels and typewriters are buried inside the machine, and you literally cannot get them out. So, just for fun, check this out. Haven't done this in a while because you never really need to. Smith Corona. Loosen that nut there. Take this little screw out right here. Take the screw in and nut out together right there. Get this thing come on all the way out. Like that. Let's see if we can manipulate the star wheel out of here in just a second. Just gotta grab this thing and pull it right on out, and there you go. You've got, oops, now the machine wants to fly. You've got the star wheel escapement right here, and you can tell this is a 10 pitch because it's got 10 notches on here. 12 pitch would have 12. This is just a gear one, maybe not this side. I think it's this side that's got 10. I think they both have 10. I don't think about it. So, and this engages the rack, which is right here. So this engages the rack right there, and that's it. It goes in this little pivot hole way down in there, but it's pretty easy. We're going to put it back in, just as easy as it came out. You just stick it in there, get it in that little hole down in there. It's a little tricky to see in the dark here. Can't quite see it in the dark here. I should just kind of center up here and fall into place. Let's see if I can get this done. Take a look here, a little closer. Oh, there it is. That's way off. It's way off. Way off base. Find that little hole and then just kind of set it down here, and take the screw on that. It is like a little set screw. It's got a little pointy thing on the end. Line it up like that, and it's already. You really didn't break any adjustment. You just loosen that little nut. Leave that nut where it is on the shaft, and that's where it goes. You get right there, tighten it down, back in business. Now, I don't know any typewriter that you can do that fast in. Pull the escapement star wheel out. I could probably pull the escapement paws out too, and just as quick. Just a fun video for today. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.